Hi, I'm Liz.
Let's talk about the Exitpreneur's Playbook.
I bought this when it was first published, and I am sad to say that it took me 2 years to finally sit down and read it. Which brings me to my very first point. When should you read this book? When you're getting ready to sell? When you're looking for a valuation? The answer is yes, yes, and now. The old adage about the tree applies here. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The next best time is today. So, wherever you are in your life as an entrepreneur, now is a good time to read this book. I will admit that as I started reading this, my initial questions and what kind of prompted me to finally get started were the wrong questions. I was looking for an explanation of a singular formula. What do valuations look like? What are multiples? What multiples, right, Joe? So instead, Joe walks you through actionable insights and practical advice using real world examples to illustrate his points, which, as far as I'm concerned, business books should only be allowed to be written if the author has real world examples to walk you through that help illustrate their points. The content is valuable for both new entrepreneurs as well as experienced entrepreneurs. Don't tell my accounting professors, but 20 years later, I finally understand the difference between accrual and cash accounting as it pertains to business valuations and exit calculations. I think the thing that I appreciate the most is Joe focuses on building value for your business, getting ready for an exit alongside purpose and just general human kindness. So, this book goes beyond numbers and talks about the relationships involved in a sale and the integrity of both being a buyer and being a seller. Overall, the entrepreneurs or the exitpreneurs playbook is engaging, it's insightful, it's a guide that offers actionable tips and strategies for building value and a successful exit plan. I hope that helps.